So, I want to talk about my path becoming a controls engineer. Where do I begin? I remember realizing that maybe IT just isn't for me right now. I've seen so many Reddit forums of people saying that they weren't finding jobs, and no matter how much experience they had, they weren't finding jobs. So it's like, well, if they have experience and they can't find a job, then what the heck am I gonna do? And I don't even have experience in IT. That was my thinking at the time. um, and then I remember researching and seeing like what are the new like trades, what is something that I can get into. And I remember my state, there was like a state program at the time for PLC technician. And I'm like, what the heck is a PLC? So then I researched that. Like, I went down this rabbit hole. And so I reached out to this state program and I scheduled an interview because at the time, this state program paid for this PLC technician program at a community college. So I went to this interview or went to this, appointment, and the lady was like, well, she was gatekeeping hard. She was like, well, you don't have any manufacturing experience, so I don't know if this would be the right program for you. And I was like, what the heck? So that was a little discouraging, but I didn't let that stop me at all. So I continued researching and I ended up enrolling in a robotics program at the time at my community college. And then I kept diving deep for internships within manufacturing, and I found a controls technician co op in my neck of the woods, and I applied. With that, I with the fact that I was going to school for robotics, I made sure to put that on my resume. And I received a call back and I was so excited. And from there, I worked in that co op for like 6 months and then got a lot of experience with that, learning how to fix tools and systems and working with the controls engineers on the team at the time and things like that. Um, then I became I keep that's the thing about me is I always keep like then I applied for a role in as a test engineer, and they were just looking for basic like controls experience, and I got a call back for that, and I was more plug and play, which was cool. I just really wanted to learn more about hardware and things like that. So that was really cool experience. I did that for like a year and a half, a year and a half. And then after that, I applied for Ford. Now, when I applied for Ford as a controls engineer, I got so many rejection emails. I kept applying. I did not give up. And that's the thing that I've learned on this journey is to never give up hope. Keep going. No matter how many no's, no matter how many rejection emails, you keep going and you never stop until you get to where you want to get to. So yeah, that's my journey and becoming a controls engineer. It's something to also mention that I don't have my bachelor's degree, but I'm pursuing one in electrical and computer engineering. So don't let that stop you. Even if a job post like says bachelor's degree required, don't let that stop you. You apply anyway. Even if you've only done 2 out of the 10 bullets that's in that job post, you just apply. I mean, what's the worst that can really happen? What, you get a rejection email? Okay, and like, you don't let that stop you. Don't let it stop you at all. And I think the name of the game right now is just like perseverance and determination and um, yeah, I think those things will get you very far, and don't give up at all. So I'll see you guys soon, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.